All right, here to pick up the Chevelle. So I think the guy that is going to buy it came by again yesterday, and we took it on a ride, and I grenaded the tranny. So we're gonna pull it up on the trailer, take it home, put it on the lift, get the tranny out of it, and see what happened. I'm pretty sure the cluster disintegrated. Shouldn't have been that hard on it, but it is what it is now. So we have another tranny we can put in it and or fix the one that's in it. The one that's in it's got to be fixed anyway. It can't just sit around broke. So either or. The guy seems like he still wants to take it, but I'll believe it when I see it. Either way, it's got to be fixed. It needs to be drove and cleaned up. So here we go. Up we go. Still gets me every time. A little first look. She is all together, but there's definitely something going on inside of it. It's not happy. I suspect it disintegrated the cluster. So I guess we tear it apart. No time like the present. Let's get this cross member unbolted. As long as they are. What are you doing?
I pulled a few seeds in the rock thing and got rid of all the damn ants. And I got groceries coming, so.
All right, I'm gonna try to get the car back down. Trying to support the back of the motor a little bit. this stuff out of the way. Oh, there's metal in it. I was actually gonna do a video on rebuilding one of these because I have another one to rebuild. We didn't get that far. Near future. So when I originally got this tranny, it was the only one I had, and I bought it from some race car deal, and they made it into a 2-speed, and so that's why I had to pretty much replace all the gears, and we went through new synchros, bearings. Broke the main shaft. How did it do? How did it do fourth gear? Let me grab a light and I'll get you in there. So if you look, main shaft, I don't know how it would work in fourth. And it definitely chipped up the cluster. I don't know how it worked in fourth. Oh, direct. It broke the input shaft gear. It took them all. And it hurt the counter shaft or cluster main gear too. So fourth was direct. That's why it worked. But all of our gears are good. We just need an new input and a new shaft or a cluster. Reverse. Everything back there is looking good. Unfortunately, you got to pull the whole thing apart to change those pieces. So that'll be coming up. As you can see, definite Definite race car. The ears have been broken off. It didn't do a halfway bad job. It's not perfect, but neither is the car. So that's it for now. Until we get parts. I do have another tranny we might just swap into the Chevelle to get it going. The guy called me on the way here on the trailer and said he is not buying it. He's backing out. Whatever. That was the original input shaft. So, as you can see, everything else is new. So we just need to change that, put a new cluster in it. Okay, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.